Welcome back to Theme Park Spark. Please like and subscribe. We rope dropped Lego Movie World and went on Emmett's flying adventure, Masters of Flight, as our first ride of the day. This is one of the most popular rides at Legoland California and can have a long wait, so going on it first thing in the morning is a good idea. In this video, I'll show you the ride queue, the pre-show film, and the entire ride. Stay tuned until the end to see my 5-year-old daughter's reaction to the ride. We're going up. We're going to 3. We're going to go on the tall one. We're going on level 3. Be awesome.
I'd like to ask you all to notice the number you're standing on. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Just find our numbers. Okay, you got it? Good.
Do you want to be 5?
The reason you need this number is that you will use the same number when you get the chance to board one of the Master Builder's inventions. It's crazy, right? You're going to get to fly around Cloud Cuckoo Land. This is only possible because one Master Builder just so happened to design something large enough to fit all of you. Okay, spoiler alert, it was me! The best part is, it's right behind me. Under this curtain, something that's so amazing, it can only be described as awesome. Actually, it's better than that. It's awesome-er! Which is slightly more awesome than awesome. Without further ado, I present to you the triple-decker flying couch! Now, I will acknowledge it bears some striking similarities to the double-decker couch. But this one is totally different. As you can see, it has 3 levels, which is 1 more than 2. Also, it flies. That's super useful. Let's say you're hanging out with some friends and you want to change locations, and nobody feels like moving their butt off the couch. Boom! This can do that. As your pilot today, I am responsible for showing you how to ride this. That seemed like a lot of work, so I produced a video instead to inform you of important safety announcements. Okay, roll the video.
Today on Where Are My Pants? Where are my pants?
It's one of my favorite episodes. Man, never gets old. It is, however, not super relevant. Ow. Here we go.
For the enjoyment and safety of all our guests, we ask that you please follow the attendant. Stow bags and loose clothing in compartments on the rear wall. If you have loose-fitting shoes, such as slip-offs or sandals, please remove them and leave in the designated area. The number you are standing on is your seat number for your flight, so please find that number and take your seat. Please fasten your seatbelts by inserting them in the buckle on your left. Put the belt through the loop before buckling. Sit back comfortably and keep your arms in at your side at all times. You are now ready to go. Thank you, and enjoy your flight.
That was totally awesome! I love instructions! And following them will help keep you safe, just like washing your hands and not eating gum off the ground. Not that I did that, but you shouldn't do that. Oh, one last thing. You may have seen signs about a possible Duplo invasion. Do not worry about that. They will not show up today unless they do, which can happen. But it won't, I think. Also, if for any reason anyone would like to back out of today's flying experience, you may do so now by exiting through the departure doors. For those of you who choose to stay, I can't wait to see you on board! It's gonna be awesome!
Alright guys, welcome when the door opens. We have to wait here. I will come back to get you one door at a time. There's going to be cubicles for you. We have to put any backpacks and purses and sweaters in our engine, and your hats and sunglasses.
Which you'll find along the rear wall. Please find your seat number and take your seat. Once you are seated, please fasten your seatbelts.
I'm glowing.
You're glowing.
Please proceed and leave any bags, all loose articles, and loose-fitting shoes in the storage boxes, which you'll find along the rear wall. When you're ready, you are now ready to
Remember, we're not overfishing.
sit back and enjoy your flight.
Here we go.
Hey everyone, Emmett here. Please be aware that we are about to present the triple-decker flying couch for the first time to an assembly of Master Builders. They may be unable to control their excitement. Fellow Master Builders, I present to you my latest invention, the triple-decker flying couch. Is everyone
orbit, and the winning invention is the triple-decker couch. Whoa, really? Everything's pretty awesome during the singing of that song since we just managed to get it out of our heads. Thanks for everything, Master Builders. And remember, your world is what you make it. Build something incredible. Bye-bye. Bye. See you around. Adios.
When we come to a complete stop, please unlock the seatbelt buckle, hop off the seat, and exit to the left.
Who doesn't want to?
And don't forget to pick up your belongings before you go. Goodbye for now. When we come to a complete stop, please unlock the seatbelt buckle, hop off the seat, and exit to the left.
All right, let's go.
And don't forget to pick up your belongings before you go.
That was fun. That was so fun, Mommy.
Yeah, you liked it this time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was also kind of scary.
It was scary, but that kind of made it a little bit fun, probably too, right?
Yeah, it was scary fun.
All right, let's find your dad.
By the way, my husband skipped this ride because it makes him a little motion sick. You've been warned. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so you're notified about upcoming videos about Legoland California. See you next time.